What's happening, good people? Welcome to another edition of Chef Will's Weekend Throwdown. This is episode 17. If you are new to the channel, you're new to the show, thank you. If you're not new, I love you guys. Thank you guys for just rocking with me for all these episodes. Guys, today's episode is lemon bars. I'm continuing my family first special. I have part 1 with my dad, part 2 you guys just saw. It's a new week. I can't leave Texas without my mother. That's another part of the inspiration, the reason why I love cooking so much. Growing up in the sea, my pops throw down, seeing my mom's throw down, and trying to think of different ways that I can even combine both senses of style and just creativity. So guys, listen, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce my mother, Chef Shula. What's going on? Booty! Booty! What's going on?
Howdy, y'all.
Mom, it is amazing to be here, to be able to share this kitchen with you, to be able to see you again. And just guys, I'm just so excited to make these lemon bars with her. This is a special time, and this is one of her favorite desserts. So I hope you guys are ready for this, because we enjoyed it. You're going to enjoy it. Please be sure to like, share, subscribe. You know the motto. Let's get cooking. Everybody, we just finished these lemon bars. Guys, this looks amazing. They came out great. I know we can't drop it. Guys, I had a great time. This baking with my mom. This was an amazing time. Honestly, one of the best times that I've had so far down here in Texas. Being able to cook and grill with my dad. Being able to bake with my mom. So listen, enough of me talking. Mom, could you show the people my reaction? What you gotta think?
Removing the mint. Good lemon taste. This is good. And I'm not lying. It's good.
Yeah.
Good job.
Guys, there you have it. Lemon bars.
That's good.
Nothing else to say. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please be sure to like, share, subscribe. Thank you again, Mom. I love you.
I love you too.
All right, guys. Peace.